Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Yeah. Guys, please all of you confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Right, sir. What topics here we understood, guys? Now tell me. What exactly the topics here we are understanding there? Now please confirm to me, guys. Yeah. Is it possible to connect with more than one database from single hibernate application or not? This is a question now. Alright, sir. Then what is the answer for this question there? Now tell me. Answer for this question is what there? Possible or not possible? Yes, it is possible. Yeah. Right, guys. Now here we are able to perform like what there. Is it possible to connect with more than one database from single hibernate application? Answer is what there. Yes, it is possible to connect with more than one database from single hibernate application. Then what are the things here we have to understand there? Prepare a separate configuration file for each and every database. In a test application, create separate configuration object for each and every database. Create a separate session factory object for each and every database. Create a separate session object for each and every database. Create a separate transaction object for each and every database, and both the database related driver jar files in a build path. Add both of them in build path. Now this is what exactly the point here we have to understand. Yes, sir. All of you get my point or not, guys? Okay. All right. After this, now after this, I want to go for an example application here. I want to prepare there. Now try to understand this. Right. So let me open it. Then I want to show both the concepts now. Right, sir. Now observe carefully. I want to prepare an application there. New Java project. ABP 06. Everything is okay. Click on next button. Click on finish button. Not create. Yeah, mapping exception in the sense in the mapping file there is a problem. Yeah, mapping file there is a problem. Either that problem with XML text or the problem with mapping is not proper. Either of the things are going to be happen. Janish. Okay, guys. Now observe carefully. I need to add hibernate library. Right click on this one. Properties. Then what next one here? After completion of this, build path, class path, add library, user library. Already we prepared one library, hibernate 3 lib. Click on finish button, apply, apply and close. Apply, apply and close. Right, sir. Now here what we have to do there, right click on SRC new, right click on SRC new, and then what next one here? Observe carefully. The next point would be I need to prepare like what there package now. What package is here we require there? Com dot Durga soft dot ABB0 text 06 dot. Here I have to prepare like what there entities package here we have to prepare. Where entity here we have to take. Also carefully right click on it and new class I want to take. What is the class here we have to take there? As is here I want to take what there employee class here I want to take. That's okay fine. That everything is okay. Employee class name is what there employee class. That's okay fine. Inside this employee class we have to understand like what there some properties here we have to take. Private int envo, private string ename, private float eval, private string EADDR. Right, sir. Now okay, I need to go for source generate getters and setters. Select all, generate. Right. Right. Now everybody understand this point clearly. Private int envo, private string ename, private float eval, private string EADDR. That's okay fine. Next one is what there. Then after completion of this, now I need to go for resources. Right click on project and new source file. Source folder. The name of the source folder is like what there resources. Inside this resources here, what we have to take there new. Here I need to provide like what there file. I need to take other here I have to take. Now here that file is what there XML file. Now get the point is what there employee.hbm.xml. Even though we are connected with more than one database, but this is sufficient employee.hbm.xml. Alright, sir. Next button here, create finish button. Right. Junesh, try to check this. What exactly the file I'm telling to you. Now try to check this. Where you have done that mistake, easily we can understand now. Mapping exception. Okay. Right, sir. First of all, I have to get like what there. Yeah. Employee spelling is wrong. No problem. Refactor, rename. Okay. Right, sir. Now here what we have to do there, we have to provide something like what there. We have to provide mapping. That means DTD we have to provide there. Hibernate 3.jar file here we have to open, where we have to open r.hibernate. At bottom here we are able to get like what there mapping file doc type definition here we have to provide. Copy. Let me close it. Now here I want to provide this data. Okay, nice. Jinesh, now try to check it where you have done that mistake. No. Now here what we have to provide there. Hibernate mapping. Inside this hibernate mapping, what we have done there, class. Alright, sir. Now here properties are like what there, name, com dot, durgasoft dot app, like that 06 dot. Then what next one here we have to provide there, entities dot employee. Okay. Now here we have to provide what there table. The table name is like what there emp1. Now inside this I have to provide like what there ID. Inside this ID we have to provide like what their name. Name is equal to envo property name is equal to ename property name is equal to eval property name is equal to EADDR. Right, sir. Mapping file is okay. Guys, I'm asking one question to all of you. Now try to answer for it. How many configuration files here we have to take now? Our requirement is what there? How many databases here we are connecting actually? Then what databases here we want to connect, guys? We want to connect with the two databases from our hibernate application. What are the two databases here? No, Oracle and MySQL. Now let me check that Oracle database now. SQL plus system slash Durga. System slash Durga. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Now okay, select star from EMP1. No data is available here. Now let me insert the data. Insert into EMP1 values of 111 comma AAA comma 5000 comma IDBAT. Commit operation. Select star from EMP1. Nice. Data we are getting there. This is okay. Insert this MySQL. Then what data is available here? Select a star from EMP1. These many records are available here. Delete from EMP1. So 5 records are deleted here. Then no data is available. Select a star from EMP1. No data is available. Guys, my requirement is what there. I want to read the record data from Oracle database. I want to insert the data into the MySQL database. I want to transfer one record of data from Oracle database to MySQL database. That's my requirement. Okay, right. Now let's observe this clearly. First of all, here what I am telling there, mapping file is okay. Now configuration files here I have to provide under resources. Under resources, I need to take one XML file. XML. Next, I have to use what? What I have to use there. Next one, guys, observe carefully. I need to go for hibernate underscore Oracle. Hibernate underscore Oracle underscore cfg.xml. Hibernate underscore Oracle underscore cfg.xml. That means this file is for providing which configurations? No, hibernate underscore Oracle underscore cfg.xml. This file is for what there? For what purpose can I have taken there? For providing which configuration details? No, guys, understand this point here. For providing which configuration file we are using this care? Any idea? Guys, any idea now? Tell me. For providing which configuration files we are using this one? Exactly. Answer is very clear. For Oracle configurations now. Now let me provide like doc type definition DTT. Copy. Right. Hibernate configuration. Inside this Hibernate configuration here we have to provide what there? Session factory. Inside the session factory here we have to provide like what there? Property. Name is equal to hibernate.connection.driver underscore class. Now this is Oracle. Oracle.jdbc.Oracle driver. Similarly, here we have to provide what there? Another property. Right, sir. Hibernate connection.url. JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon at the rate localhost colon 152 colon exe. Property name is equal to hibernate dot connection dot username, system. Next one is what there, property name is what there, hibernate dot connection dot password, Durga. Right guys, then what next one here we have to use the property hibernate dot dialect, hibernate dot dialect. Dialect, what dialect here we have to provide there, org dot hibernate dot dialect dot oracle dialect. Mapping resource here we have to provide. Resource is equal to, directly here we have to specify what there, employee dot hpm dot xml. Okay, right sir. Now this is like what I'm telling to you. Okay, Junesh Bandi, then try to check that libraries what we provided there. That means the jar files, means jar files incompatibility is coming there. Jar files are not loaded properly. That's the problem there. Okay. Anyway, then guys, now this is about Oracle information here we provided. Okay. Next one is I need to provide the same copy I want to get, but I need to provide what there, some other file. Right. So now this is like what I'm telling you after this. Now here we have to provide like what there, hibernate dot hibernate underscore mysql underscore cfg dot xml. Right. So now here we are able to get all the things. No, same content here we have to provide, but values here we have to change. What values here we are able to provide here? What values here we are able to get there? Right. So now here we can understand driver class is what there. Com dot mysql dot cj dot jdbc dot driver. Now URL should be like what there. URL should be like what there, jdbc colon mysql colon slash s localhost 3306 slash durga db. Okay. Database username is like what there, root. Database password is like what there, root. Next one is after that arg dot hibernate dot dialect dot. In place of this Oracle dialect here we have to use what there, MySQL dialect. Right. Mapping resource is what there, employee dot hpm dot xml. That everything is okay, fine. Right. Yes sir, all of you are getting my point or not? So now tell me how many mapping files can be provided there? How many configuration files can be provided there, guys? Now tell me. Okay, right, sir. Two configuration files here we provided, guys. One is for Oracle, another one is for what there, like what there, MySQL. Okay, fine now. Next one is what there. Now observe carefully. After completion of this, first of all, let me check in hibernate 3 both the jar files are available or not. OJDBC 8 is available. Okay, no problem. OJDBC 8 or OJDBC 11 is also existed here that we can use. MySQL connector both are available. Then we can use either of this. No problem here. No. Alright, sir. Then okay, libraries are okay, fine. Next one is I need to prepare client application there now. New here we have to prepare what is the class. What is the class here? We have to provide there, not entities, no. The package name should be like what is the test. The class is like what the class name is also like what the test. Main method, click on finish button. Now inside this class test, then what we have to do there, as per our content here. Now I have to go for try and catch. Now tell me e dot print stack trace method. Now first of all here, what objects here we have to create there? Configuration object here we have to create. Configuration. This is like what there? Oracle config. New configuration. Right here, what we have to do there? Oracle config dot. What method here we have to provide there? Configure method here we have to call. Now here we have to provide name and location of the, we have to provide what the name and location of the configuration file. Then what is the configuration file here? Hibernate underscore Oracle underscore cfg.xml. This is Oracle configuration file here we prepared. Now here what we have to prepare there after completion of this? Okay. Come on guys, then what we have to do the next one? The next one is what there? We have to prepare MySQL related configuration file. Alright, sir. The same MySQL related configuration file here, configuration object here we have to prepare. Now okay, I want to give the names is like what there. Now this is Oracle config. Similarly here I want to provide like what there? MySQL config. Okay. Now here we have to provide like what the hibernate underscore MySQL config.xml. That's okay. Configuration objects are okay. Next one is session factory objects must be created or not. Session factory objects must be created or not. Okay. Now let me go for session factory. Now the session factory is for what there? Oracle session factory is equal to then Oracle config dot build session factory. Okay. Then after that, another session factory also required here. Session factory this time it is what there? MySQL session factory is equal to MySQL config dot build session factory. Okay. Right. Now this is completed here. This is clearly like what there session factory objects here we are getting. After understanding the session factory, what next one here now? We need to go for session objects. Session Oracle session is equal to Oracle session factory dot open session. Session MySQL session is equal to MySQL session factory dot open session. Alright, so now tell me at one database we have to get the data. Get the data from what there? We have to get the data from Oracle database, and we have to send the data to what there? We have to send the data to what there to the MySQL database. Getting data from Oracle, sending data to what there? MySQL. Observe carefully. Right. Sir. Next one, after that here what I am telling here. So I require transaction object for MySQL database. I don't require any transaction object for what there? Oracle database. Why? Because just simply we are going to get data from what there? Oracle database. The data we are sending to like what they know other one here. Yes, sir, got my point or not? This is what exactly the meaning of like what there? Our application here, what we are preparing there now. Right. Next one is what we have to do there. Simply, first of all, let me get data from the what database? No, Oracle database. Now employee is equal to Oracle session dot get method. Here we have to call get method. Inside this we have to call like what there? Employee dot class. Then 111 value here we have to provide. Of course, it has to rise some error here 111 value here we have to provide there. We need to perform typecasting. Okay, fine. Employee object here we are getting. Next one is after completion of this, we need to get like what there after employee object. Then what we have to get the next one? We need to send this data to the MySQL database. So we require transaction object now. Transaction MySQL transaction is equal to okay. Now again, what we have to do there? MySQL session dot what we have to do there? Begin transaction. Transaction is ready. Now, what next one here we are able to understand there? Next one is I need to save the same employee object, not required to display any data. Same employee object here I want to send. So here MySQL session dot what I want to specify there directly. Here we have to call like what there save method is available. Then where we have to store employee data. All right. Then after that, here we need to get like what their primary key value. Primary key value here we are getting there. All right. So if all right, so now system doubted println of employee transferred Oracle to MySQL. Okay. Right, sir. Then after that, what next one here? No, this message here we are able to provide here if it is the case. And else what is what they else what is system output println of employee does not transfer from Oracle to MySQL. Now this is the content here we are getting clearly. Okay. This is the total story, guys. Then what we are able to do there. Now next one is we have to close all of them. To close all of them here. Anyway, not required. Then closing option later we'll think about it. Not immediately. We don't require immediately. Now let me execute this program here. If you want to close all of them, then first we have to declare these resources before like try block. Or else if you want to go for it, then we are able to do this. Session factory and all. Not required. Later we'll think about this closing here. Closing is not mandatory. Let me execute these programs now. Commit operation is required. Yes, exactly. Save here we provided here. Uh, Commit operation here we provided. The value should be 111. Then it is possible, otherwise it is not possible here. Okay. Right. Sir. Now let me run this example here. Before that, I want to show what is there in Oracle database. No one record is available. What is there in MySQL database? There no records are available. Here, empty set here we are getting. Now let me execute this. No, nice. Invalid mapping exception could not pass mapping document. Employee.xml. Right, yes. Then where is the problem here? It's okay. 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay. I think so. This is a problem. Oracle MySQL underscore cf0.xml. Right? Sorry. This is the problem here. It's a copy paste problem. This is MySQL config. This is what their MySQL config. Right. Not Oracle config. Now here we are getting output like what their employee transferred from Oracle to MySQL. Yes. Right. So now here we are getting the data. Now let me check in now. MySQL database. Previously we got what their MDZ. Now we are getting what their right 111 AA 5000 and database. The data here we are getting there. Okay. Right. Yes. Now this is about our application that what we completed here. How to connect with more than one database. That part here we completed. Okay. Melvin Ross. Then what you are saying there? I'm not getting it. Yeah. And then one jar file is required there. Yeah, but anyway, now we are not using anything else. So we have to add one SLF4J jar file here I have to add. Then only warnings are going to be removed there. But no issues there. Even though we got that warnings there, but finally we are getting some output there then. Okay, right. Junit, then are you getting the same thing? Yeah, but still you are able to get output. If you want to remove even this one also, just we need to add one SLF4J jar file. SLF4J jar file we have to add. Yeah, but still okay, no problem. Then it may not give any effect in our program there. This warning messages, but output we are able to get in this way. Okay, right. Anyway, then check these guys. Then the next topic I'll discuss with you on tomorrow. Next topic I'll discuss with you on tomorrow. Then tomorrow I'll go for some other content, guys. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay, fine. Right. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. I'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll see that next content. Thank you.